chocolate chip cookies.
We're going to first start off by setting aside our ingredients into a bowl. And in this bowl, we're going to have our flour, baking soda, and salt. So I need 2 1/4 of a cup of flour. Okay, so fill it up to the 2-cup mark, and then I'm gonna get the 1/4 here. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna stir it and set it aside. Now in a larger bowl, but we don't have a bowl, so we're gonna use a pot. We're gonna cream the butter, which we left at room temperature. Where's our butter? Thank you. With the brown sugar, eggs, and vanilla. We have 1 cup of butter. So we need 3 cups, 3/4 of a cup of normal sugar and 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. So 3/4 brown sugar. So he's gonna go over there and mix it with the mixer. While he's mixing it, I'm gonna gradually put in the dry ingredients into the blender. Don't turn it off. Now to the mixture, I'm going to be adding 12 ounces of chocolate chip. And I'm going to mix it in with the spatula. While I mix this, he's going to go and preheat the oven to 375, and we're going to cook the cookies for 9 to 11 minutes or until they're golden brown. Before I put the cookies onto the tray, I'm going to line it with paper so they don't stick to the pan. Now the cookies are going to go into the oven. You know what would have been funny if someone would have zoomed into my face.
Cool.
I know you're just scratching your eye.
There you go.
I don't want to say hi anymore. I'll be like, today we're making chocolate chip cookies. Shut up. 1,
2, 3.
Stop! Ow!
Ow.
Action!
Come on!
For the calculations, we have 2.66 moles of flour. I like to start off by using the chemical formula, which is what we have right here, and finding the atomic mass of each element. And the total of this is 120.1 grams per 1 mole of flour. We're going to use this in our equation to help us solve to get our final answer. What we're first going to do is go from moles to grams. And in order to do that, we have to set up our equation. So right here, we have 2.66 moles of flour. And to cancel this, we put 1 mole at the bottom. So this cancels out. And at the top, we have 120.1 grams, which is the amount of flour in 1 mole. And then at the bottom, to cancel this, we have 141.95 grams, which is the amount of flour in 1 cup, which is the final unit that we're going to use in our recipe. So this cancels. And the calculation will be 2.66 times 120.1 divided by 141.95, which gives us 2.25 or 2 1/4 cups of flour. For the next one, we have 0.0335 moles of baking soda. Here's the chemical formula for baking soda. And here's the total amount that we have, which is 84.006 grams per 1 mole of baking soda. And the first thing we're going to do is convert from moles to grams. And right here we have our equation. And we set it up by putting 0.0335 moles of baking soda right here. We cancel this with 1 mole at the bottom. We have 84.006 grams at the top, which is moles of 1 mole of baking soda in grams. And then at the bottom we have 4.16 grams, which is the amount of baking soda in 1 teaspoon. So our final unit is going to be teaspoons. The grams cancel with each other and the moles cancel with each other. So our answer should be 0.67 or 3/4 of a teaspoon when you round it off. And here's how we get it. We do 0.0335 times 84.006 divided by 4.16. Oops. Let's do that one more time. 0.0335 times 84.006 divided by 4.16, 0.67. And that's it.